Championship, which has been suspended for 5 weeks. Everton have committed £50,000 to launch a new
Alexa,
family
stop. Hey, how you doing? This is Tom and Tom's Radio Room. I thought I would kind of search for other news throughout the world to see what other countries are saying about this situation. And so I've been searching various stations on, I can't find anything on shortwave. Shortwave's still in the toilet. So I went to the internet. Now, when I say I went to internet, on the computer is one way. On my Sagen internet Wi-Fi radio is another way. And on Alexa is another way. And so I found...
Why did the cat cross the road?
Okay.
Because the chicken had a laser pointer.
Jeez, I said the word Alexa. I said the word. I don't want to say it again. Anyway, what you were hearing when I first started was Alexa. Oh, jeez, I said the word. Cancel. Broadcasting News Radio UK. This is the website. You can also listen to it on their website by clicking on this, and their website is newsradiouk.com. Now it does say up here not secure, so I don't know what that's about. But anyway, or you can listen to it via the girl. I won't say her name. Or like I said, you can listen to it via an internet radio and kind of get their slant on the situation, plus the status of their situation in their country. Now, earlier, a few minutes ago, I heard them say the UK would have it under control in 14 days. That's interesting. 14 days. I don't know. But anyway, just another source of information, and it doesn't have to be on this present problem. It could be on other problems that's happening throughout the world. International disputes and stuff like that. But the key is, even though you should be locked in your house, staying away from other people, you can still communicate with the world. Even though shortwave is in the toilet, you can still listen to these international stations. This is just one example, which is the UK. I tried to find a station in Italy that was broadcasting in English and a news station. I found a lot of radio stations in Italy. Don't want to listen to music. I want to listen to the news. What's happening in their country. So try this out. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer them. Be safe and have a great day. Bye-bye.